Markets around the world. Markets are a fantastic place to go to in any town or city. You can buy lots of different things at a market. Let's look at two popular markets from around the world. The English Market, Cork. The English Market in Cork, Ireland, is in a beautiful 400-year-old building. It has a courtyard with balconies and a lovely fountain. It is right in the centre of the city. The market is a favourite shopping and meeting place for both local people and tourists. At this market, people can buy anything from fresh fruit and vegetables to meat and fish. The Green Bazaar, Almaty. The Green Bazaar is also known as the Zelyony Bazaar. It is the most well-known market in Almaty. It's got a wonderful selection of fruit and vegetables, as well as dried fruit and nuts. You can buy many types of honey or some special chocolates. The sellers are very friendly and will offer you a taste before you buy. What do you think of these markets? Would you like to visit them? What is there at your local market?